This Valentine's Day, make it a night to remember with Ducktrap. As the day turns to night, love fills the air. Sometimes, the most romantic evenings happen right at home. With a few simple ingredients, you can create something truly special together. When staying in is more tempting than a busy restaurant, make it a night to remember. Add a drizzle of honey, a touch of wine, and a whole lot of love. A meal made with love tastes even better. With Ducktrap on Amazon, the perfect date night is just a click away.